guys, here I am back at my favorite spot. My favorite spot? I think so. Maybe my deer stand. But anyway, my garage. And I was running into a little bit of an issue, so I called my good friends at Friday Parts, FridayParts.com. I can't begin to tell you every part you can imagine. So I have a John Deere 450D bulldozer. It's about 25 or 30 years old. They have parts for it. So anyway, I called them and said, listen guys, I have a little problem. I'm working on a carburetor on a chainsaw, and I have to give it a very tiny bit of torque, and it's a very tight space. So I need do you have a small torque wrench? We got the perfect thing for it. It's digital. You'll love it. Lots of features. Okay. And I like it. It's really quite nice. So come on over, take a little look over here, Diana. Come a little closer if you can, and take a peek here. So this is it. Digital torque wrench from Friday Parts. Right the other day, nice case for it, nice case. And I did open it up already. I won't bore you with that. And it comes with instructions, which is really important. Isn't that slick? Look at this nice little torque wrench. It's a beautiful, well made, really feels solid. No looseness at all in it. But the head on this has one of those really neat, very nice push button ratchets. You haven't seen these before. They're very nice. Let me show you an example. The socket that I need to use is a 1/4 drive, 1/4 socket. So it's a 1/4 inch socket with a 1/4 drive. And when I first went to put it on, it wouldn't go on. Yes, you have to push the button, and that lets you put it on. It now won't come on, which is great, especially if you're working in small machinery and down maybe in an engine part somewhere. You don't want that to fall off. To get it off, you push the button again, and it comes right off. It's a neat little system. So your socket is locked on there. Then it has a standard switch for clockwise or counterclockwise. Nice little wrench. So what's nice about it? Well, let me show you. I don't know if you can get in here close at all, Diana, and take a peek, but it's very simple. You hold the on-off button, and there you go, pops up. Right off the bat, you can change the torque units. Right now, it's set for kilogram-feet per centimeter. I can change that to what can I put pounds. I can change it to inch pounds. They're pretty standard North American. Kilogram, I think Newton meters. Yes, and Newton meters. So whatever machine you're working on, and whatever units they give you the torque in, with this little wrench, you can get the exact units. You know, if you use conversion tables, I have conversion tables here. I don't need them anymore because the modern wrenches don't have them. Now, you'll notice that it already has a reading on there. So you press that button again, and it automatically goes to 0 for you, so you know that it's measuring accurately. And the reason for that is that you can also use this as at different modes. And this was called peak, and what do they call the other one? One is called peak, and the other one is called preset. I'll explain about that in just a minute. Right now, this is used as a standard torque wrench. And I'm going to try to demonstrate this a little bit for you. Come a little closer again there, Diana. We're going to take this socket wrench, and we're going to put it down in there and grip it firmly. And you'll see here that 0, okay? Put it into the socket wrench, which is locked in the vise. And all you need to do as you start to apply your torque is read the gauge. Can you see that? You can read how much it is, in this case, inch pounds. And then when you finish, take it off, and there's your reading, and this shows you your peak that you reached. This is the peak mode, so it's locked in there. So now you can make a record of it, if you're done. Press PC, and it takes it back to 0. Great, okay. Here's where it gets nice. Now what you can do is you can go to preset. So we're going to set this for 16 inch pounds. In this particular case, 16 inch pounds. Put it in like so, onto the socket, which is locked firmly in the device, and here we go. That goes back to 0, and here we go, preset. Ready? It's a 16. Get a buzz and a signal, just like that. Again, working in tight spaces or something very fragile, and the stop. Okay, just that easy. So far, I'm going to be working on this carburetor right here. This is a carburetor for for the chainsaw. And some of these bolts on the carburetor do have, actually in the instructions, they actually do have torque values in Newton meters. So this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Put it back to 0, and we're all set to go again. Just that easy. Great little tool. Solidly built. Not expensive. I actually don't know the price, to be honest. I forget what I paid Friday parts for it, but it's absolutely a great little tool. If you're interested at all, get a hold of FridayParts.com. Okay, guys? All right, I got to get busy, get this chainsaw working. See you soon.